third short video. I'm holding the camera up so to keep kind of lessen the reflection from the outside light here. Under the Wing 79 now completed a triptych, memorial to Hannah Senesh, Hungarian Jewish raised woman who moved to pre-Israel Palestine and was flown into aid partisan resistance, anti-fascist, was captured by fascists and executed. And I've got a chicken, a late parakeet of mine, and a bunch of lucky allegorical sea monsters, and the two panels on the left and right are about Judaic writing. I'll just leave it at that. 10 Commandments on the right-hand section of the work at right. Partisan and Liad was a partisan song, which people can listen to different versions heard on YouTube. All right, there you have it.